Hello everyone, today I am going to explain how to find convolution of two sequence by using graphical method. Okay, before going for that, I am going to write the formula to find the convolution, that is y of n is equal to summation k is equal to minus infinity to infinity x of k into h of n minus k. So this is the formula we have to convolute two sequences. Now I am going to moving on to writing the sequence in a graphical manner. X of n is given. It is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0 we have 1, 1 we have 1, 2 and 3 we have 1. Then I am going to write h of n. H of n we have two sequence. At 0 we have 2 amplitude, at 1 we have 2 amplitude. So this is x of n and this is h of n. Okay, now I am going to write this as whatever the signal which is given x of n, instead of n I am writing k. So instead of n we need to replace that. So I am going to replace that here itself, that is k, and this is also k. Then according to the formula we have y of n is equal to summation k is equal to minus infinity to infinity x of k into h of n minus k. So at n is equal to 0, the sequence at n is equal to 0, before that I am going to write the same formula which is used previously, that is m plus n minus 1. M is number of sequence which is available at x of n, that is 4, and number of sequence which is available at h of n, that is 2 minus 1, that is 6 minus 1 we have 5. So all the sequences which is available at the right hand side, so 1, 2, 3 and 4 will be available at right hand side, at 1 at origin. So what are the individual sequence we are going to get? 0, 1, 2, 3 and as well as 4. So at n is equal to 0 we need to find what is the convolution. At n is equal to 0 your formula will become y of 0, that is equal to summation of x of k into h of minus k. So these two has to be convoluted. So x of k we have already the signal, h of minus k we need to find the signal. What is h of minus k? It is a mirroring. So I am going to write this h of minus k here, h of minus k. So the mirroring has to be done means whatever the value which is available at the right hand side will be available at the left hand side. So this is minus 1, amplitude is 2, at 0 amplitude is 2. So now these two has to be multiplied. So one thing you need to do for this is y of 0. See here at 0 we have a value 2, here also at 0 we have a value 1. So if you multiply these two, I am going to get the value 2 only. So 1 into 2 plus, if you go at 1 we have an amplitude 1, but here we have an amplitude 0. So 1 into 0 plus again 2 into 0, because there is no availabilities here, means this is 0. If you multiply with 2 and 3 we are going to get 0 only. So at 2 we have an amplitude 1 only, 1 into 0. Then at 3 we have an amplitude 1 into 0. At minus 1, here 0, here 2. So 0 into 2 we are going to get, final value we are going to get after addition 2, because all these terms are 0. So this is y of 0. Next, similarly, we need to find at n is equal to 1. So at n is equal to 1, y of 1 is equal to summation x of k into h of n minus k is the formula. So 1 minus k it is going to become. So 1 minus k. So h of 1 minus k we need to find. H of 1 minus k is nothing but minus k plus 1. So I am going to write first I am going to find h of k plus 1, then I am going to do the mirroring. So h of k plus 1 means whatever the signal which is available here will move one time left side. So 0, whatever the value which is available at 0 will be goes to minus 1, and whatever the value which is available at 1 will move to 0. So 0 will move to minus 1, 1 will move to 0. So at 0 we have an amplitude 2, 2. So this is h of k plus 1. So for this h of minus k plus 1, again it's a mirroring of that. So whatever the signal which is available at left hand side will be reflecting at right hand side. So this is 2, and at 1 we have an amplitude 2. Okay. So now also we need to multiply x of k with h of minus k plus 1. So x of k is here. At 0 we have amplitude 1, and h of minus k plus 1 at 0 we have amplitude 2. So y of 1 is equal to 1 into 2 plus we have an amplitude value at 1, and we have an amplitude value at 1 in both x of k and h of minus k plus 1. So what is that amplitude value? 1. Here the amplitude value is 2. So 1 into 2. And remaining all are zeros. So no need to write that. So finally you are going to get the value 4 at y of 1. Then similarly I am going to moving on to the y of 2. Y of 2 is equal to, the formula will become x of k into h of 2 minus k, that is n minus k. I am going to substituting n value as 2. So we need to find initially h of minus k plus 2. So that is nothing but h of k plus 2 I am going to write. Then I am going to write the mirroring of that. So h of k is this one. If you do k plus 2 means 2 times it will move further. So 0 will be available at minus 2, 1 will be available at minus 1. So your signal will become minus 1, minus 2. So its amplitude value is 2, 2. So we need to multiply these two signal. If you multiply these two signal, you can see it here. Here minus 1, minus 2 is there. And x of k, before that we need to find one more thing, that is h of k plus 2 we find out it. We need h of minus k plus 2, so mirroring has to be done. So h of minus k plus 2, the mirroring has to be done means the minus 1 value will goes to plus 1, minus 2 value will move to plus 2. So this is 2, 2 at 1 and 2. Okay. Now I am going to do the multiplication of these two. See here the signals are available at 1 and 2, here also 1 and 2, remaining and all 0. So at 1 we have 2, at 2 we have 2, and at 1 we have 1, at 2 we have 1. So your y of 2 will becomes 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2. So your value will become 4. So this is one value, this is another value, and this is another value. So next I am moving on to the next one, that is at n is equal to 3. At n is equal to 3, your formula will become y of n is equal to summation x of k. So y of 3 directly I am going to write x of k into h of 3 minus k. So firstly I need to find h of minus k plus 3. 3 minus k we can written as minus k plus 3. So h of k plus 3 I am going to do. If I do h of k plus 3, you already know that h of k having a value 0 and 1. So 0 will move to minus 3, 1 will move to minus 2. So minus 2 minus 3, its value is 2, 2. Now I need h of minus k plus 3. So h of minus k plus 3, the mirroring you need to do. The mirroring, 2 minus 2 will become 2 plus minus 3 will become plus 3. The value is 2, 2. You can see it here. At 2, at 3 we have a value. Here also at 2, at 3 we have a value. Remaining and all are 0. So again y of 3 you are going to get 1 into 2 plus, see, 1 into 2, 1 into 2. Again 1 into 2. So you are going to get the value 4. So the last one we need to find, that is y of 4. Y of 4, that is nothing but summation x of k into h of 4 minus k. So before that, h of minus k plus 4 I need to find, that is h of k plus 4 I will find first. So k plus 4 is nothing but 4 times it will move left hand side. 0 will become minus 4, 1 will become minus 3. So minus 3 minus 4, the amplitude value is 2, 2. Then the mirroring has to be done, that is h of minus k plus 4. If I do the mirroring, minus 3 will become plus 3, minus 4 will become plus 4. So at 3, at 4, we have a value 2, 2. You can see it here. Here x of k, at 3 we have a value, so it will multiply. At 4 we don't have value. So you will get a one value, that is y of 4. At 3 only we have a values at x of k and as well as h of minus k plus 4. So 1 into 2, the finally you are going to get 2. So the final expression for this is y of n is equal to, see, at 0, n is equal to 0, we get the value 2. N is equal to 1, we got the value 4. N is equal to 2, we got the value 4. N is equal to 3, we got the value 4. N is equal to 4, we got the value 2. So final expression you are going to get 2, 4, 4, 4, 2. And it is going to start at this sequence. This is your output you are going to get for y of n. So like this you need to find the problem which is related to the graphical method in order to find convolution sum. Thank you.